I've been giving you updates on how to create these cute little candle holders, or you can use it as a vase, out of just a regular jar and a little bottle. So I wanted to show you another idea. So this is a different bottle. And you see how it doesn't have to be perfect around, but I just filled it in with a hot glue gun and these dollar store gems. So mainly what you're seeing here is the glue stick from the hot glue gun. So if you see a video of mine and I say glue stick, I mean the glue stick from the hot glue gun. So you're seeing that around the edges and these little glass gems, and then there's just a bottle attached to it. So these little bottles are really good. Some people may want to put a stand beneath it, but you really don't have to. Please check out the video where I created this little chalkboard out of poster board. And also check out this flower wall video. So I'm just hoping you guys can see how you can recycle, reuse, and repurpose so many things instead of just putting it out there to get processed. We can use it around the home. It's a great way to save money. And I'll also upload more information about other fixtures. So thanks for watching. I'll upload more videos soon.